Installing double-hung windows in your Sumter home can be one of the most rewarding upgrades for comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal. These versatile windows provide excellent ventilation, easy cleaning, and timeless style. However, even the best windows can fail to perform if the installation process goes wrong. Many homeowners unknowingly make mistakes that lead to drafts, leaks, or costly repairs down the road. To help you get the most from your investment, here are the most common mistakes to avoid during double-hung window installation in Sumter. Skipping proper measurements. One of the most frequent errors is taking rough or rushed measurements. Double-hung windows must fit snugly to prevent air and water from seeping inside. If the frame opening is not measured correctly, even high-quality windows won't seal properly. Tip: always measure the width at the top, middle, and bottom, and the height on both sides and the center. Using the smallest measurement ensures a tight fit. Ignoring frame condition. Many homeowners are eager to slide new windows into place without inspecting the existing frame. Rotten wood, warped sills, or hidden water damage will compromise the stability of your new double-hung windows. Tip: check for structural issues before installation. Repair or replace damaged framing so your new windows have a secure foundation. Using the wrong tools or materials. Double-hung windows require precise tools and sealing materials to function correctly. Some homeowners rely on generic caulking, cheap insulation, or makeshift equipment, which can shorten the lifespan of the installation. Tip: use high-quality window flashing, waterproof sealant, and proper shims. Investing in the right materials up front protects your home from leaks and drafts. Poor insulation around the frame. Even if the window fits, gaps between the frame and wall can cause major energy loss. Many installations fail because homeowners either overstuff insulation or leave uneven gaps that allow air circulation. Tip: apply low-expansion foam insulation evenly around the frame. It expands enough to fill gaps without putting pressure on the window. Not checking window operation before sealing. It's common for homeowners to rush through the process and fully seal the window before checking if it opens and closes smoothly. Once sealed, fixing alignment issues becomes much more complicated. Tip: test the window's operation before applying caulk and trim. Both sashes should slide easily, lock securely, and remain balanced. Forgetting about weatherproofing. Sumter's climate can bring hot summers, humid air, and occasional storms. Without proper flashing and sealing, moisture can creep in, damaging your walls and insulation over time. Tip: use flashing tape around the perimeter and make sure caulk is applied in a continuous, unbroken bead. This prevents water infiltration during heavy rains. DIY without experience. While double-hung window installation may seem straightforward, it requires precision. A small mistake can lead to higher energy bills, condensation issues, or even the need for early replacement. Tip: unless you're experienced in window installation, consider hiring a professional. Local Sumter experts understand the region's climate and building requirements, ensuring your windows perform as intended. Final thoughts: installing double-hung windows is a fantastic way to improve your home's efficiency, comfort, and beauty. But avoiding common mistakes is crucial to getting lasting results. By taking the time to measure carefully, inspect your frame, use the right materials, and test for smooth operation, you can enjoy all the benefits these windows offer. If you're unsure about tackling the project yourself, partnering with a trusted Sumter window professional is the best way to protect your investment and guarantee flawless results.